If you're searching for a 4-channel amplifier to send solid power to aftermarket speakers on a budget, consider the Acoustik Edge Series EG4-1000. The Edge amplifiers provide solid power in a compact size. I consider this amplifier somewhat of a steal with a price tag under $100. Acoustik rates this Class AB amplifier 65 watts by 4 channels at 4 ohms. 125 watts by 4 channels at 2 ohms, and you can also bridge it for 250 watts RMS by 2 channels at 4 ohms. Stay tuned in a few minutes for our amplifier power testing to see how accurate those claims actually are. Make sure to use the coupon code on our website profile page of the EG4-1000 to get some extra savings on this amplifier. Inside the box is an instruction manual. Hardware. High-level speaker level harness. And 4-channel acoustic amplifier. Aesthetically, I like the look of the Edge series amplifiers. They feature a satin silver chassis, Acoustik logo engraving, and black accents teetering on the edge. One of my favorite features of this amplifier is its automatic high-level signal sensing turn-on. This amplifier will automatically detect the sound signal and turn on and off the amplifier. Acoustik packed the EG4-1000 with plenty of adjustments for both sets of channels. Channels 3 and 4 feature gain control, high-pass filter, low-pass filter, and bass boost. Channels 1 and 2 feature gain control and high-pass filter. There are a few ways to connect to your signal source. Aftermarket head units connect to the RCA inputs using the RCA preamp outputs on your head units, and a pair of RCA outputs to connect multiple amplifiers together. Those with factory head units need not worry. The amplifier features 2 high-level speaker harness inputs and 2 high-level speaker harnesses. Dimensions of the amplifier include 2 1/4 inches in height, 9 inches in width, and 10 1/4 inch in length. The EG4-1000 features 4 sets of speaker terminals, 2 35 amp fuses, as well as power and ground terminals. We recommend 4-gauge power and ground wire for installation. Be sure to check out all of our amplifier installation kits online at qualitymobilevideo.com. Okay, let's test it out and see if those ratings are legit. The first test we ran was 2 channels driven, 4 ohms, 1 kHz, 13.1 volts. Our audio precision will generate our signal and measure distortion. Our HP8903B audio analyzer picked up 46 watts RMS, 1.2% distortion, and 13.5 volts of outputs. Channel swap. Our AMM1 read 34 watts RMS, and we drew 11.56 amps of current. Going to 40 Hz, our HP picked up 43.56 watts RMS, 1.3% distortion, and 13.2 volts of output. Channel swap. The AMM1 read 37 watts RMS. We drew 20.12 amps of current. Next, we went to 2 channels bridged, 1 kHz, 4 ohms. Our HP picked up 134 watts RMS, 1.6% distortion, and 22.9 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 103 watts. We drew 19.25 amps of current. Bridged 40 Hz, 4 ohms, our HP picked up 118.5 watts RMS, 1.4% distortion, and 21.5 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 106 watts RMS, and we drew 18.73 amps of current. Our final test was on frequency response. We used our audio precision to run up each frequency. so it's not exactly blowing your hair back, and even though we were hovering just over 13 volts, it fell well short of its specs. But for $80, you're getting about quadruple the power of a factory head unit for your aftermarket speakers. On a budget, it's a decent choice for a 4-channel speaker upgrade, and it's respectable at 2 ohms and bridged. The coupon code for this amplifier is for a limited time, so get on it soon. Be sure to get this amplifier online at qualitymobilevideo.com, as well as all of your audio and video gear. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, leave any comments below, click that like button, and thanks for watching.